Welcome to our deep dive into the planning phase of project management. This is the stage where ideas begin to take shape and a clear roadmap is drawn. The planning phase is crucial because it sets the foundation for the entire project, ensuring that everyone involved understands the objectives, timelines, and resources required. In this video, we'll walk you through each step, highlight best practices, and share tips to help you master this essential phase. Let's begin by understanding why planning is the backbone of successful project management. First step in the planning phase is defining the project scope. This means clearly outlining what the project will deliver and what is outside its boundaries. A well-defined scope helps prevent scope creep, which can derail timelines and budgets. Stakeholders and team members should collaborate to ensure everyone agrees on the project's objectives and deliverables. By documenting the scope, you create a reference point that guides all future decisions and keeps the project on track. Once the scope is defined, it's time to set clear, measurable objectives. Objectives should be specific, achievable, and aligned with the overall goals of the organization. This clarity ensures that everyone knows what success looks like and can work towards the same targets. Setting objectives also helps in tracking progress and evaluating the project's success upon completion. Remember, well-crafted objectives are the compass that guides your project team. Identifying stakeholders is a critical part of the planning phase. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in the project's outcome. By recognizing who they are early on, you can understand their expectations and address their concerns. This step helps in building strong relationships and ensures that communication flows smoothly throughout the project. Engaging stakeholders from the start increases the chances of project acceptance and support. Work Breakdown Structure, or WBS, is a tool that breaks the project into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes it easier to assign responsibilities, estimate resources, and track progress. The WBS provides a visual representation of the project's components, helping teams see how individual tasks fit into the bigger picture. Creating a WBS is essential for organizing work and ensuring nothing is overlooked. Resource estimation is about determining what people, materials, and equipment are needed to complete the project. Accurate resource estimation helps avoid shortages or overallocation, which can cause delays. Involving team members in this process ensures that estimates are realistic and based on actual needs. Documenting resource requirements also makes it easier to manage procurement and scheduling later on. Well-structured project schedule outlines when tasks will be completed and who is responsible for each one. Scheduling tools like Gantt charts or project management software can help visualize timelines and dependencies. A clear schedule keeps everyone on track and allows for early identification of potential bottlenecks. Regularly updating the schedule ensures the project adapts to changes and stays on course. Budgeting is a key part of the planning phase. It involves estimating the costs associated with each task and the overall project. A detailed budget helps secure funding and provides a baseline for tracking expenses. Involving finance experts and using historical data can improve accuracy. Regularly reviewing the budget ensures that the project remains financially viable and adjustments can be made as needed. Every project faces risks, and identifying them early is crucial. Risk identification involves brainstorming potential problems that could impact the project. These might include resource shortages, technical challenges, or external factors. By listing possible risks, the team can develop strategies to avoid or mitigate them. This proactive approach reduces surprises and helps keep the project on track. After identifying risks, the next step is to plan responses. This means deciding how to avoid, transfer, mitigate, or accept each risk. Assigning responsibility for each risk ensures that someone is always monitoring and ready to act. Effective risk response planning increases the project's resilience and helps the team respond quickly if issues arise. Clear communication is essential for project success. Communication planning involves deciding how information will be shared, who needs updates, and how often. This ensures that everyone stays informed and aligned. Tools like email updates, meetings, or project dashboards can be used to keep stakeholders in the loop. A solid communication plan prevents misunderstandings and keeps the project moving smoothly. Quality planning sets the standards for project deliverables. This involves defining what quality means for your project and how it will be measured. Setting clear quality criteria helps ensure that the final product meets expectations. Regular quality checks and reviews are scheduled to catch issues early. By focusing on quality from the start, you reduce the risk of costly rework later. Procurement planning is about deciding what goods or services need to be purchased for the project. This includes identifying suppliers, setting timelines for procurement, and establishing contracts. Good procurement planning ensures that materials and services are available when needed, preventing delays. It also helps manage costs and ensures compliance with organizational policies. Resource allocation is the process of assigning available resources to project tasks. This step ensures that the right people and materials are in place when needed. Effective resource allocation maximizes efficiency and helps avoid conflicts or shortages. Regularly reviewing resource assignments allows for adjustments as the project progresses, keeping everything running smoothly. Change is inevitable in any project. A change management plan outlines how changes will be requested, evaluated, and approved. This ensures that all changes are documented and assessed for their impact on scope, schedule, and budget. Having a clear process for managing change helps maintain control and prevents confusion or scope creep. Milestones are key points in the project timeline that mark significant achievements or deliverables. Setting milestones helps track progress and keeps the team motivated. They also provide opportunities to review the project's status and make adjustments if needed. Celebrating milestones boosts morale and reinforces the team's commitment to success. project charter is a formal document that authorizes the project and outlines its objectives, scope, and stakeholders. It serves as a reference for the entire team and provides clarity on what the project aims to achieve. Developing a strong project charter ensures alignment and sets the tone for the planning phase. Building the right team is essential for project success. During the planning phase, roles and responsibilities are assigned based on skills and experience. Clear team structure ensures accountability and smooth collaboration. Regular meetings and open communication help the team stay aligned and address challenges together. Success criteria are the standards by which the project's success will be measured. These should be agreed upon by all stakeholders and documented in the project plan. Clear success criteria provide direction and help evaluate the project's outcomes. They also ensure that everyone has the same expectations from the start. Assumptions are factors that are considered true for planning purposes but may not be certain. Documenting assumptions helps identify potential risks and prepares the team for changes. Regularly reviewing assumptions ensures that the project plan remains realistic and adaptable as new information becomes available. Stakeholder engagement plan outlines how stakeholders will be involved throughout the project. This includes communication methods, frequency of updates, and ways to gather feedback. Engaging stakeholders ensures their needs are addressed and increases project support. A well-crafted plan helps build trust and keeps everyone informed. Project management plan is a comprehensive document that integrates all subsidiary plans such as scope, schedule, cost, and risk management. It serves as the main guide for executing and controlling the project. Developing this plan ensures that all aspects are considered and coordinated, reducing the risk of oversight. Project controls are systems and processes used to monitor progress and performance. These include tracking tools, reporting methods, and regular reviews. Setting up controls during the planning phase ensures that issues are detected early and corrective actions can be taken. Effective controls keep the project on schedule and within budget. Reporting plan defines how project information will be collected, analyzed, and shared. This includes setting up regular status updates, progress reports, and dashboards. A clear reporting plan ensures transparency and keeps stakeholders informed about the project's health. It also helps in making timely decisions based on accurate data. Project integration planning ensures that all parts of the project work together seamlessly. This involves coordinating tasks, resources, and schedules across different teams. Integration planning helps avoid conflicts and ensures that dependencies are managed effectively. It's the glue that holds the project together and drives it towards successful completion. Governance structure defines how decisions are made and who is accountable for what. Establishing governance during the planning phase ensures that there is clarity on roles, responsibilities, and authority. This structure supports effective decision-making and helps resolve conflicts quickly, keeping the project on track. Even in the planning phase, it's important to think about how the project will end. Project closure planning includes defining acceptance criteria, handover processes, and documentation requirements. This ensures a smooth transition when the project is complete and helps capture lessons learned for future projects. A review and approval process ensures that all plans and documents are checked for accuracy and completeness before execution begins. This step involves getting feedback from stakeholders and making necessary revisions. A thorough review process reduces errors and increases confidence in the project plan. Kickoff preparation involves finalizing all plans, assembling the team, and ensuring that everyone understands their roles. This step sets the stage for a successful project launch. A well-prepared kickoff boosts team confidence and ensures that the project starts on the right foot. Wrap up. The planning phase is the backbone of successful project management. By following structured steps, defining scope, setting objectives, estimating resources, and preparing for risks, you lay a strong foundation for execution. Remember to engage stakeholders, communicate clearly, and review plans thoroughly. Mastering the planning phase increases your chances of delivering projects on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of all involved.